Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're just doing a Sunday reset, and I really just wanted to start off doing something slow in the morning and just really give myself a nice healthy breakfast so that I could conquer my day, because I did have a lot to do today. And y'all, at this point in my pregnancy, I could not do nothing without a full stomach. Like, I will literally pass out. And please excuse my voice throughout this voiceover. I'm not sick, but y'all, pregnancy is just all over the place. Oh, this season right here, it's salt, pepper, and garlic salt mix, and it is so good, y'all. But my voice, y'all, the baby is literally so high up on my lungs that it's causing like my vocal cords to swell. Like, I have researched, like, I'm not sick, but like I keep losing my voice and I feel like it's really hard to breathe, and it's just the baby being humongous. But I'm just making an avocado toast with a fried egg on top and cheese, and then also some hash browns that I got at Myers, y'all. These are so good, and this breakfast was so filling and y'all, just amazing.
It got me on a high note, additional minors. It's like ABC, yeah, simple as 1, 2, 3. It's like ABC, yeah, simple as 1, 2, 3.
It also just felt so good to just sit down, have the sun on my face, and just enjoy breakfast without kids all up in my face needing stuff, y'all. Like, this right here was like the highlight of this day.
Natural ability has been made available for you and me. For the Son, Spirit be the Trinity. I got a lot of angels all in my vicinity.
So first thing is first, I wanted to really tackle the baby's clothes. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, this voice is taking me out, but I wanted to really tackle the baby stuff first, because with the little energy that I did have, I had like a burst of nesting, and I did not, this laundry basket has been sitting for like a week at this point, and I just truly wanted to get at least the baby stuff done, because if the baby decided to come, I really wanted to have all of his stuff organized. And his dad definitely could have folded the laundry, but I wanted to organize it by like the size of his, you know, like newborn 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9. Like, I wanted to really organize it and just do everything. You guys know how men are. Men will literally throw all these clothes in the drawer no matter what the size is. So I really wanted to just organize all this, but y'all, sitting like this, my foot fell asleep. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't bend up to grab the stuff. Like, I was literally miserable. So you guys will see me end up standing up to finish the rest of this, because I just couldn't do it. Like, I'm literally at the point in pregnancy to where everything hurts. Y'all see, I had to lay back. Like, the baby is just the baby is just doing way too much, and he's sitting so low. So it just feels like every time I sit up that I'm squishing him, and it's just so uncomfortable. But yeah, so I had to stand up to get the rest of this stuff done. Also, I don't know if it was like part of me nesting, but that blue towel that I folded, when I rolled it up, it made me unfold all the towels I just did. And then I'm like, oh, I like the way it looked rolled up. So I literally unfolded all of the swaddle blankets, all of his towels, all of his muslin blankets. Like, literally, I love the way that the towels and everything looks when it's rolled up like that. And yeah, I just feel like, and it was also easier to store the stuff away when I rolled everything up.
We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. Okay, now wait up. It's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the world, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you die, you know we are that spiritual. We see you drowning with the tides on your soul. You know you love it.
So I was just bringing out all of his, I told you, like, I was refolding all of his stuff, but I also was bringing everything out of his drawers that I already had put away, because I was going to reorganize everything anyways. But I also, at this point, I was just seeing what I had. It was kind of like inventory check at this point to see, okay, what else does he need? Does he have enough? He had a ton of hats, y'all. He has so many hats. I don't even know if he's gonna be wearing all them hats, but he had a lot of hats. So that I was just organizing all of that to kind of see an inventory of everything that I had. And then right here, I got this from the baby shower. And yes, y'all, I am climbing up on this chair and I was okay. I just I just could not wait for my man to get home to do it. Like, I just needed to get it done because once I get any burst of energy, I need to take advantage of it, because if not, it will never get done. So anyways, I got this little y'all moving so fast. Hold on. So I got the Dove body wash, the nighttime one, and a sensitive one, and then a lotion. That's what those three were. But anyways, so I got this over the closet hook thing from the baby shower, and it is so convenient. I never had this with neither of my kids, and I feel so bad for myself that I never got to experience this, because I feel like it's going to make it so easy to access everything and just organize everything a lot better, especially with not having a lot of space for like a baby like nursery room, because the baby is going to be in our room. So this will just help with a lot more space saving things. So, and we also use the Pampers Swaddlers and then the sensitive wipes. And yeah, so we just put the towels in the top one just to kind of separate it from the other boys' stuff. Like, I want literally only the baby to use his towels, his swaddle blankets, diapers, wipes, and then all of his, oh my God, brain fart. Why can't I think? All of his washcloths at the very bottom. And then here's all of his socks and his mittens. Y'all, I'm moving literally so fast. I cannot breathe and I cannot keep up. But so I just wiped down his dresser. We ended up putting his dresser in our closet just for easier storage. Like I said, he is going to be in our room, and our room is a pretty big size, but I didn't want it to be too cluttered because I already have my dresser in the actual bedroom. So he just got moved to our closet for his dresser. And I can't even explain to y'all what I was doing. I kept taking out the clothes, kept putting it back, kept taking it out, and I was just really trying to organize it to make it easy on his dad mainly. and you know, I don't know, I just wanted, because it's his dad's first kid, and I just really wanted to make it as simple as possible. You know, his dad's taken 12 weeks off of work to be home with the baby, and I just love that for us. But I really wanted to organize it. So on the left side, I put all of his like sleepers, and then on the right side, I put all of his outfits, and then I mated the outfits. So all of the onesies had pants or shorts along with it, just to make it easy when his dad wanted to grab an outfit. And on the top drawer, it was all newborn is 0 to 3. And then the middle drawer was 3 to 6 and 6 to 9. And then I saved the bottom drawer for like just extra. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. And then yeah, I just organized all the blankets. And at this point, my man came home for lunch and we were just talking. But I'm like, babe, like I literally am struggling. And then yeah, just extra wipes and diapers at the very top in his diaper caddy. And then I believe we're about to move on to the bathroom. Yes. So even though I'm posting this on a Sunday, this was realistically for me a Monday. I just wanted to upload it today on Sunday just to motivate somebody out there that really needs motivation to start their week off. But for me, the only time I can really get stuff done is when my kids are not with me. But at this point, I did go pick up my son from school, so this was a little bit later in the day. And this bathroom really just needed to be cleaned so bad. Like my kids, y'all, like having boys that pee, they do not know how to aim. And I've said this in my last cleaning video. They still don't know how to aim. So this bathroom was in desperate need of cleaning. So, and my son's gonna play his guitar for y'all, so I'll be quiet. So that is literally all I've been hearing for the past like 2 weeks. He's been really into instruments, so I want to support my baby as much as I can. It's been driving me crazy a little bit, but I love him so much, and we're gonna put him in a music school in the summer, so I love that for him. But anyways, I was literally just doing the quickest clean in the world, y'all. I was starting to get contractions, so I'm like, you know what, let me get in the shower because I cannot, and I wanted to wash my hair because I thought I was gonna go into labor, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I really thought I was gonna go into labor. So I'm like, I cannot go into labor with greasy hair. So I wanted to just show y'all what I do when I do wash my sewings. And I made sure to really zoom in on this because I had posted like a silk press video like a few months ago. Here's the rosemary mint shampoo that I use, but I posted like a a sewing video before, or a silk press video before, and girl, I was in the shower washing my hair, and I thought I did real good with zooming in, and someone commented like, we see your nipples, and I'm like, what? So I made sure to really zoom in. But anyways, I'm just washing it, and I washed it like a few times off camera as well because it would not suds up. That's like how much product or how oily it was. But you just want to really make sure that you get in the braids and really just scrub. And yeah, so, and this, I did not really finish cleaning after this. Like I said, y'all, I was having really bad contractions and I almost went to the hospital, but I did not end up going into labor. But I was super scared that I was going to, so I just wanted to kind of like pamper myself before going into the hospital if I had to, because y'all, when I was in the bathroom cleaning, I literally thought I was in labor. So this was like right after I got done in the bathroom downstairs. And yeah, and y'all, no heat damage. I was so happy and proud of myself that I had kept my curls. And then I got soap in my eye and I just let it be. So I left my eyes closed the whole entire time because y'all, I had soap in my eye. So this next part of the video after I get out the shower, it will be me just talking through. So just bear with me. I will come back on the voiceover in a little bit. All right, y'all. So I am back. It's been like an hour. I'm about to take my hair out this towel, but I need to blow dry my hair. And I'm going to do my leave out last because I need to focus on drying the braids on the inside. But my leave out reverted back curly, so that's good. I have no heat damage. So I'm just gonna put my leave out up. No expert when it comes out. Yeah, I'm just a braider. I just be trying to do stuff. So if you don't know, like I said, I know a little bit when it comes to sew-ins, but like you have to make sure the braids underneath are dried fully or your hair can grow mildew. I'm gonna put these in 2 pigtails because I kind of want to keep the texture of it. These are body wave hair, so I'm trying to keep the texture of it. And I'm just gonna use this 10 blow dry spray for a heat protectant. And then I also spray my hair with like a body mist so that my hair don't stink. Because you know when you put heat on weaves, it be stinking sometimes. And then this little cool thing that I got from the hair store. This is like this is basically like a portable head blow dryer. And you just basically put this on your head like this. And then with this drawstring, you just tighten it. So it's very tight. And then at the end, there's this little tubing. And you just you put this on here like this. And you just turn it on and then it blows through here and then it dries your hair. And then you just sit under here. Like you just really just want to make sure that the braids underneath your sewing is completely dried before anything. Because like I said, if not, y'all, like years ago, oh my god, one time I just like let it air dry. And when I took my hair out, my hair stunk so bad and it was like mildew in my hair. It was so disgusting. So do not do what I did. And make sure you dry it completely. Even if you don't have this little attachment thing, just put the blow dryer. It's going to take long to do it yourself like that, but just literally blow dry your roots until it's completely dry so that you don't ruin your hair. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back once everything's nice and dry. Then I'll show y'all how I style my hair. And I guess True wants to say hi, so hi. But yeah, so I will check in with y'all in a little bit and then show you guys what I'm going to do to my hair. Okay, so here is like an update on the hair. I'm gonna put some of this up real quick. My leave out feels super dry, I'm not gonna lie. I don't like that, but I had that head blow dryer thing on and y'all, it was getting so hot I had to take it off. So I just went through with the blow dryer and just separated, like I went like this and like blow dried it. It's probably like 80% dry right now. But I want to run through it one more time. Ouch. And I'm probably going to end up braiding. I don't think I'm going to flat iron this hair because I will say when this hair was flat ironed, it made it like super thin feeling, I feel like, which is why I didn't like to wear it down because I want it to be like poofy. Like I feel like since it's so long, it needs to have volume. And when it was flat ironed, there was just literally no volume in this hair. So I'm going to finish blow dry my roots and then I'm gonna press my real hair and then I'm probably gonna put it back in 2 braids so that I can where I like this is super full. Like I like how full this is. This side is not as full. I don't know if it's from like how she did the side part, but I wish like both sides were equal, which is why I know if it's in a middle part, it'll look so cute. I really wish she could do a middle part for me. I may even hit her up and ask her, does she have like an opening before I go into labor so we can do a middle part? Because also, you guys see right here, like it's starting to get loose. So when I plan on wearing this, since I just washed it, I plan on wearing this hair until like, this is like my labor hair. So I don't plan on taking this out for a while since it's just freshly washed now. But I'm about to blow dry this real quick. A little bit more. So I noticed that when I was trying to tell y'all my story that I kept saying mildew. I don't know if that was the correct term, but years ago when I did this, I definitely had like mold in my hair or something. So make sure that y'all really do dry the braids underneath, because if not, your hair will stink and it will be disgusting when you take your hair down. Trust me. This is a Nano Titanium Baby Bliss Pro. And I'm gonna put it on 410. My stomach is cramping a little bit, like feels like I'm on my period. So I don't know if that's like labor or if I'm just cramping. And just if anyone was curious, I did not end up going into labor, but I did have a doctor's appointment the next day after this, and I turned out I was 3 centimeters dilated. So whatever cramping and contractions I was feeling this whole entire day definitely dilated me. And right now, as we speak, as of March 15th, I am still pregnant. I am 39 weeks pregnant right now, and I have been experiencing some contractions. But hold on real quick, I gotta talk real quick through the video, and I will jump back in a second.
How can I breathe without you here by my side? Sing it to me.
Oh yeah.
You know that song?
Mm-hmm.
Mario.
So I'm about to braid these in 2 French braids and leave it in overnight. And hopefully it comes out the way I want it to. Okay, so I'm back, y'all. Sorry, I am literally a chatty Cathy, and if you guys want like more of like a lifestyle update, please make sure that y'all are watching my vlogs, because I definitely go into way more detail. I take y'all along with me to like doctor's appointments, just to show y'all my everyday life. So I definitely, if you guys are interested or curious about me, make sure you guys stay tuned for my weekly vlogs. I upload my weekly vlogs every single Wednesday, so do not miss out on them. Literally, like I said, I am 39 weeks pregnant right now, so regardless, I will have a newborn baby less than 2 weeks, because if I don't go into labor naturally next week, then she's going to induce me when I'm 41 weeks. So if you guys like newborn and baby content, literally stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you guys do not miss out, because like I said, my weekly vlogs and like just baby content will be uploaded every Wednesday, so stay tuned. And also comment down below what other videos you guys would want to see. I really want to interact with you guys, so make sure y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think about these type of videos. And I'm sorry this wasn't like an actual real reset, but because y'all, like I said, the baby was trying to come out, so I do apologize about that. And then I didn't do an outro because right after I got done braiding my hair, I was having very strong contractions, so I just literally ended the video. So I'm sorry how abruptly the video ended, but I love y'all and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye. The best that I got myself 2 braids, and I'm gonna keep this in overnight and then take it out tomorrow. I might even keep it in all day tomorrow because I don't be doing nothing, y'all. I don't be going nowhere, I don't be doing nothing, so it don't look too crazy to where I can't wear this out, and I can always just put a hat on. But yeah, I'm gonna just wear these 2 braids, and then oh my god, my leave out feels so much better, y'all. So smooth, so smooth. It's literally like so smooth. Y'all pray this baby does not take my edges when I have him. This feels so good. You can see a little bit of my tracks, but it's okay. But yeah, so I am about to get ready to eat.